Hello, French horn players. Welcome back. I hope you had a good spring break this week. We're going to start off today by doing a quick warm-up. We're going to start with number 40 in your white book or the Sound Innovations book. This is the technique builder. We've played this before, so we're going to do it 2 times at a slow tempo and then the second time at a little bit of a quicker tempo. So feel free to play along, stop and start the video if you need to, but we're going to do it 2 times through. Here's technique builder number 40. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to go at a second tempo, a little bit quicker. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, that was number 40. Now the next one we're going to do is number 188 in your Sound Innovations book, and this is called the B flat major scale. Now for you French horn players, you guys play what's called a transposing instrument. So you will not be starting on the note B flat, you will be starting on the note F. Now you're going to notice when you look at this exercise, there's actually 2 sets of notes. There's a higher set of notes and a lower set of notes. Whenever you see the lower pitches, those are the ones I suggest that you look at because there will be some notes that you might not notice or might not know yet because they are too high up on the music staff. Now, if you want, you can jump around a little bit and find the notes that you do know and play those. However, the point of a scale is to hear an up and down pattern of playing each note within a section of pitches. So, for example, the scale itself will sound like this. And there's a second part called an arpeggio. We are not going to play that. We're only going to play the scale. And it sounds like this. Now, some of those high notes we might not know. French horn players, we know from F, G, A, B flat, C, and we've started to learn D. High E and high F, we have not yet learned. So if you want, you can play the scale F, G, A, B flat, C, D, and then drop down to low E, which is no fingers, and then regular F, if you'd like. Or you can start on the really, really low F, which is on that really far down note, which we have barely talked about briefly, but it's the same finger as high F. You just have to really loosen your lips up for that buzz. So low F would be down here. Then G, then A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And you would end on the first F that we learned, which is right on the bottom space. However, you're starting way on the low F. So I'll give you a couple different options. You can play it starting on the very low F and use the same fingers as you would for the high pitches, or you can start on the normal F that we know right on the bottom space, and then when you get up to the really high notes, you can try to play them, no vowels for E and first vowel for high F, or you can just drop them down to the lower pitch and it will sound what's called a broken scale. So if we play it like normal, it will sound like this. Ready, go. If you play it using the broken scale, it will sound like this. Ready, go. So all I did was I subbed out the higher notes for the lower notes. You can do it whichever way feels comfortable, practice it on your own, and then try it along with the recording. Just rewind the video and you can go back and try it both ways. So see how those warm-ups go this week, and then look for the other videos as well for more content. Thank you.